It just got us all sitting and shit. Ain't nothing fucking happening. Goddamn incredible. More like shit posting live. Would you like to say anything?
We're gonna die. Hey, I wanted something spontaneous to happen, and it happened, so I'm really glad.
This dude jinxed us.
I totally jinxed us.
If we die,
I really wanted something like that to happen.
I will burn you.
That's cool. My good sir, you have anything to say?
Well, if we die, I hope it's quick.
Fuck yeah! Death. Come on, Wins, do something! Do something! Oh, another one! Yes! Well, at least the wind's picking up. Maybe they'll put the tornado alert back on. That would be interesting. Boo! Boo!
Nothing interesting happened.
They canceled the tornado.
Tornado warning's been lifted.
Boo! We're not gonna die. I'm so disappointed. Look at this sad man in the corner. Didn't get to die.
I think we act like suicidal or something.
No, it's just funny. Where are you going? Go, hey, do a rain dance. Rain dance. Make something up. Do it again. Hey, you. What are your thoughts on the current situation?
We're gonna die.
Yeah! Death!
Or this country just tossed that ham in the frying pan. Let's spin. When we come and swim. Get it, Troy? Direction, hectic. Next got the chair. Got me going like General Electric. And like something. Get it, Troy? Oh, make it my
I'm sorry. You know, I think I know what I was trying to say there in that moment, reviewing the footage later on. I'm so fucking stupid. Oh, I'm such a dumbass.
Alert has been canceled, and we are ready to resume classes.
We're free! We're free! We are free!
Please report to the Agora for lunch.
Well, it's about to get real crowded. I'm gonna get out of here before that happens. Nope. Well, in the end, at least we got one thing that was promised. The rain. But, yet again, it's Washington State, so nothing matters. Say hello to my reflection. Take it back, I just heard hail. Hey, yeah, no, I'll cut that. You're a teacher. I know teachers aren't, you gotta be careful.
Don't say hail, no.
Could you do me a favor? Hold this and record me. I'm gonna do something stupid. Like stand here and just record me. Hi, welcome to the village.